All right, so this is another test with the multimeter, but I'm doing it on the plugs right here that connect to the Bafang motor and the battery. I believe that is, sorry, I should have checked this before I started, but okay, yeah, it's the other side of the XT60 connectors. So is just that right there. I took it out. So this is actually what connects the other piece of the battery, and it goes into the Bafang motor. So I'm going to try it this way. Doop. All right, this is going to be kind of hard to show. Oh, there we go. I did it. So connecting positive, positive, negative, negative, and again, it looks like I'm getting 43 for the amp hours. So it's not at the actual battery connection is what it is. So again, I think it has to be the controller or whatever is in that motor that is shutting off every time that it's like I think it's like a safety kind of thing for the motor. There we go, I took it off. So I think it's a safety feature in the motor that once it gets past a certain wattage, it'll shut off. And again, because when I get on the bike and the wattage goes, oh, the power's not on. When I get on the bike, bloop, bloop, bloop. Hello. Sorry for the camera going all crazy. But when I get on the bike, the wattage, see how it says 0W for the watts, miles per hour. I changed it. Again, see the battery is showing 100%. But when I tested the battery, you guys seen that it said 43 amps. So it shouldn't be 100%. I should be right now, 52, I believe it is, divided by 43, whatever percentage that is. I can't do it in my head, but I'm guessing around like 80% this should be showing. So where it says 100 watts. Unfortunately, I can't do the same test that I did while I'm riding it because you just can't see it. So you can't see that the wattage, it shuts off really fast because I can't hold the phone and do it at the same time. You can't see that the wattage shuts off once it gets past, I believe, I've seen it go to 200. I haven't seen it really go past 200. So I'm thinking it just, the motor peaks and it like tries to handle my weight plus me accelerating, and that wattage goes super high up and then it just shuts off. So that's again why I think that, plus it's showing again 100% charge, even though I just tested the battery and everything, and it's only at 43% or 43 amps when it's originally at 100. So actually, let me show you that as well. Let me go into the settings and I'll show you that the amp, the voltage, is probably still showing at like 51, 50 something. Exit. There we go. 50.6 volts. So yeah, when we just seen that it was at 43, I don't really know what it is. Again, I'm going to be returning this. I'm going to be taking it apart and returning it because luckily I'm within my return time frame. All right, thanks again for watching. I just wanted to show you the connection right there from the battery, the XT connector, to the actual controller, or actually, sorry, to the motor, and showing you that that is actually showing a good voltage. It's actually equaling what the voltage for the battery was when I did it by itself, plus what the battery was when I just did the soldering from the battery connector, sorry. When I did the first soldering. So everything's looking good on that end. So again, I think that it has to be within the controller, and luckily I don't have to mess with that and I can just return it. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye.